Dear hiring manager, this video create for you because you find your YouTube channel total subscriber and total watching time. At first, youtube.com then your channel. Click here. After customize channel, click here. After scroll down, monetization button, click here. This is a total subscriber and total watching hours. Monetization need 1000 request and 4000 hours request watching time. So this video is very helpful. You give me your YouTube channel total subscriber and total watching hours.